Somebody please tell me what this is. What is it? I've never seen a bug like that. That is not an earth bug. Watch this thing come. Look at it. And it's flying. See, it is some kind of bug-looking creature, but it does not have wings that flap or move. (5/29/2023). It's 1:04 a.m. And there was a ship flash back here, and there was a couple other UAPs that are just like that, but they had a little different look to them, like two wings with an antenna hanging underneath. Yeah, oh, there he was. Went a little too far. Here, it should come back. Let me try to zoom in a little bit more there. Okay. All right, man. Rewind it. Check it out. That thing is weird. Tell me what you think it is. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like it. All right.